Hi, my name is Diane Parr. I'm 37 years old and I'm a stay-at-home mom.
Ako naman po si Ted. I'm 36 and I'm a freelancer.
The problem that we have for so long, we struggle with fear and worry.
December 25, 2022, around 3 a.m.
Yeah.
I just heard her voice panicking. She was shouting and then sobrang worried siya. Akala ko just one of those usual, parang normal niya yun, na parang nag-worry siya. Sabi niya sa akin, Daddy, open the lights. When I turned on the light, si Suxis, para siyang nagsishake. He's having convulsion. Her being a nurse, alam niya yung mga complications, yung mga possible things na that could happen.
And that's so traumatic for a mother. Makita talaga yung anak mo to stop breathing. Like, nag-jerk siyang ganun. Tapos, yung mata niya rolling.
Nagmadali na kami pumunta ng hospital and punta kami ng ER. Confined Suxis doon ng 1 or 2 days. It started there. Nakripple kami sa fear. Na every time magkakalagnat yung mga bata, nag-worry na kami. One conference, naka-attend kami dun sa conference ni Dr. Nazir. Few weeks after nun, nilagnat ulit si Suxi.
But this time, iba.
Yes, but this time kasi may natutunan kami dun sa seminar. And aside from that, nanonood na siya ng mga videos ni Pastora. Mga preaching, mga teaching. A few days na siyang nilalagnat. Pinapainom ko siya ng gamot. When I check, around 2 a.m., it's 38 point something. Yung kaba ko, parang nag-umpisa na naman. Nasa syringe yung gamot. Tapos bibigay ko na sa kanya. Bukod sa natutunan namin doon sa bootcamp ni Dr. Nazir, sinishare namin sa kanya. And then ang sabi lang niya sa akin, natatandaan ko, Daddy, bakit kailangan ko pang uminom ng gamot? Di ba I'm already healed? Yun lang yung sinabi niya. And then ako, for some reason, parang, that's it. He decided that he's healed.
There's a great sense of peace.
Yeah, there's a great sense of peace. And then, natulog kami. Pagkagising namin ng umaga, wala na siyang lagnat.
I just want to say I'm so grateful for our church, Wisdom Church of Manila, for our pastors, for all the learnings that we have from every teaching. Siguro had we not known our authority, you know, our identity, our authority, our inheritance, lahat ng mga bagay na dumadaan sa amin, susukuan namin. This is who we are now. We are walking in divine health. Who the Son sets free is free indeed. We are the Parrs and we've been freed from fear.